Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to pronounce the I like in bit vowel. The vowel I is not very common in other languages, which makes this vowel challenging for many of my clients. The I vowel is in the words bit, live, and window. To make this vowel, the tongue tip is down, behind the back of the bottom front teeth. The middle of the tongue is arched up towards the roof of the mouth. And the jaw opens, but not quite to mid-level. The lips are relaxed in a neutral position. I. The most important pronunciation tip about the I vowel is that it is a lax vowel, which means there is less tension in the tongue, lips, and jaw when you say this sound. I. You should be able to feel this difference in muscular tension if you put your hand underneath your chin as you say the I vowel and a tense vowel like E. E. I. There's less muscular tension with I. It is also important to understand how the I vowel changes depending on the word in which it occurs. When I comes before a voiceless consonant, like T in the word bit, the I vowel is said a little bit faster than when it comes before a voiced consonant, like D in bid. Listen to the difference in the length of the I vowel in the words bit and bid. Bit. Bid. This change in vowel length is common in American English. When vowels occur before a voiceless consonant, they are often said for a shorter duration. And when consonants occur before a voiced consonant, they are often said for a little bit longer. Bit. Bid. Let's take a closer look at the I vowel in the word bit. The jaw drops for the I vowel, but notice how the lips are neutral. The tongue is forward, and the middle part of the tongue is arched up towards the roof of the mouth. The tongue tip is down behind the bottom front teeth. One more important pronunciation tip about the I vowel is how it changes when it comes before a nasal consonant. Listen to how I pronounce the word sing. Sing. The vowel is the I vowel, but it doesn't sound like the pure I. It sounds more like the E vowel. Sing. The I vowel becomes more nasalized because of the NG consonant, and that changes the way the I vowel sounds. It sounds more like A, sing. So the vowel begins as I, but then the tongue moves up as you progress to the nasal consonant. A, sing. This is common in American English when vowels come before nasal consonants. The vowel is not pronounced as a pure vowel. So when I comes before NG, think of pronouncing it as A, sing. Let's take a closer look at the I vowel when it comes before the NG consonant, like in the word sing. Notice how at the beginning of the I sound in sing, the tongue is forward and the middle part of the tongue is arched up towards the roof of the mouth. Then as the word progresses to the NG consonant, notice how the tongue pulls back during the vowel as it prepares for the NG consonant. When the I vowel is in a stressed syllable, the pitch of the voice glides up and then down. I, bit. But when the I vowel is in an unstressed syllable, the vowel is said faster and at a lower pitch. I. The I vowel is unstressed in a word like decide. On the left is the stressed I vowel in the word bit, and on the right is the unstressed I vowel in the word decide. Notice the difference in jaw opening between the unstressed and stressed positions. The unstressed I has a smaller jaw opening, in part because of the D sound that came just before the I vowel in the word decide. And the D sound and the I sound are made with the same amount of jaw opening. Stressed I, bit, I. Unstressed I. Decide. I before a nasal consonant NG. Sing. Here are some practice words and sentences. Quick. Quick. She took a quick step backward. Big. Big. I have a big family. Started. Started. The race started at noon. Wing. Wing. The eagle spread its wings. Listen. Listen. I want you to listen closely. Livid. Both stressed and unstressed I. Livid. He was livid with rage. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know how I can help you with pronunciation of the I vowel.